Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I have a quick haul video for you from Tuesday morning. We ran up to Kansas City to take a quick trip to IKEA, and I decided to put in Tuesday morning, just like I do on a lot of road trips, but we haven't done that the times that we've been to Kansas City for IKEA before, but we found the nearest one, which wasn't too far away. Swung on by and got all kinds of great stuff that I had been seeing some other people haul, and I never find it when it first comes out and it hits. It just doesn't come around the Tuesday mornings that I kind of have access to within about an hour or so from here. But they had a lot of it, and I am so excited. So it finished out some that I have and got some new stuff. So let's just dig in. I picked up these Bo Bunny brads. I've found these in the red and the green and the blue at other places, but I love the brown ones, and with fall coming up and all the fall collections, I grabbed it. This trim by Crepe Paper, I thought this would be gorgeous for Christmas and fall coming up, so I picked it up. It's only a couple of dollars. Where to start? Okay, so Auburn Lane, I love this, got a little bit of it. I was so excited to find so much. I wanted to find the 12 by 12 paper pad, but I didn't. I found the little mixed embellishment pack, so it has these cute enamel dots, sequins, and rose gold paper clips. The ephemera pack, so it is chock full. There's 40 pieces in here. This is such a pretty collection. I love the colors. I love the themes in it. And then the floral embellishment, I picked up 2 of those. They had one more, and I really debated on getting it because every time I get embellishments, they have these gorgeous flowers. I always say, why don't they make just an entire package of florals? And they did. So I did pick up 2. I'll probably regret not getting a third one, but I have 2. They had the puffy stickers. I picked up 2 of those as well because I love puffy stickers, and it's just so pretty. And the stickers, so there's 3 sheets of stickers in here. I would have liked to have had like one more sheet of this and maybe this one, but I didn't. This one I'm not going to use as much. It's more for a planner, so I would have bought 2 if, and for that price I probably should have anyways. And like I said, I wanted the 12 by 12, but they didn't have it. But they did have the 6 by 8, which is just fine because it gives me enough of the paper. And I can mix in paper from my own stash to get it. Sorry, I thought I got all these off before I turned my camera on, but I missed this one. And I'll go ahead and flip through here in case you haven't seen it. The 3 by 4 cut aparts. Houndstooth. I just love the florals in this. The mauve. And this will even go with the collections that I have bought up to do in my wedding album, so it may give me some embellishments and some extra little papers to make that go further. And I know I keep talking about that, and someday I'm going to actually get it done. This one has the rose gold foiling. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful wood grain. Would love to have this in a 12 by 12. And this one is gold foiled. Another cut apart, and this one has gold foiling on some of the words. Black floral. Another cut apart. Let's see, and then I think it repeats. Yeah, so there's 2 of each in that, $4. Like I said, and with it being 6 by 8, you can do so much more. And then they also had the thickers, and I love these because they're so small. I almost got 2, but there's so many letters in this, I think I'll be okay with 1. But there's the rose gold and then the coppery gold. So just gorgeous. And then Snow and Cocoa, somebody had just posted this on one of the message boards, and I had commented, I so wanted to find this because I missed out on it when it was first released. It sold out so quick. And I think I have picked up a couple of pieces from Tuesday morning recently, but I was able to pick up so much more. This is the little gift tags, but of course you can use it for ephemera pieces because it doesn't have the to and from on the front, it's on the back. So I'll use those for embellishments. These little jar pockets, which are so cute. So it has a clear pocket sewn on the front, And then all these little pieces you can tuck in. And I'm going to use the sequins and things, some of this stuff, because the lighter pinks show up in this. So I think that will be cute to pull that in. And then this ephemera pack, so there's 40 ephemera pieces in it. I just love the pink and the minty green for the winter. And then they had these gold glittered snowflakes. And they had the 12 by 12 paper pack, so I went ahead and got it. So I'll flip through it fairly quick. This is the cut apart. This paper, it's not as heavy as what, you know, crepe paper normally is, but it's a pretty good weight. The trees. And of course, there's lots of papers that you could use year round. It's not just winter. The snowman. Little birds. And then these word strips, which of course you could cut apart and embellish with those. Snow. I'm just going through here really quick because I'm sure other people have shared it, and since this has been out for a while, but I don't know if they're remaking this for Tuesday morning like I've seen some of the others, or Old Stash. I love that. I wish this was the whole year, but it's just the winter months. And then repeat. So we'll have 2 of each of those, and for $7 you can't beat that for 48 sheets of paper. And then I found more Jen Hatfield, so I've bought quite a bit the last couple of Tuesday morning trips that I got, so I found even more pieces. This one goes with Simple Life, and it's the puffy stickers. Gorgeous. Thought about getting 2 of those too. And the chipboard sheet, I couldn't remember whether I had this or not, and I didn't see it, so I think I got the stickers but not the chipboard. And I know I got the stickers last time of this and the paper, but I didn't have the chipboard pieces, and I just think these are so cute. I know the sticker sheets are pretty much all the same icons, but it's just super cute. And then I found Heart of Home in the 12 by 12 by Jen Hatfield, and I have it upside down, so I'll go through it real quick in case you haven't seen it. Another cut apart. Again, this paper's it's heavy for a paper pad, but it is not crepe paper weight. Love the floral, the little letterboard, pink paper. This that's in the navy. That's just a sweet design. So many pretty papers. Beautiful wood grain. And I'm thinking about using some of these in my December daily. I just think that's so pretty. So if you haven't checked out the December album kit that's available from the Scrap Room, check it out. There's an unboxing video that I did, and I'll be doing more videos for it, but so cute. This is the only paper I was like, oh, I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but that's gorgeous. So yeah, and then it repeats. So again, 2 of each sheet, so I love that. And then I picked up this one. This one was Wild and Fancy, and normally I don't buy the paper pads, but my daughter was with me, and she was in an enabling mood that day, yesterday. She just was having me buy everything under the sun, and she's the one that found the paper pads. She had a whole stack for me that she thought I would like. So this one broke the rule. I always say a paper pad I will not buy unless I like every single sheet of paper in it, because I just wasted so much money on paper pads. This one, I don't care for this, but I think I can use it as a mat and it will be okay, and I like it. But these are double-sided, so I do like this one, and that could go in my wedding album. And this was one reason I went ahead and got this. There's lots of pieces that will go with my wedding album. This back paper, I like it. Do not care for the front. I wish they did not do this to the wood grain because I love wood grain, but they did. So another beautiful floral. This one is very unique. There's lots of different patterns. This globe, to me, is Very different from the lace and the romantic. And the arrows. Arrows on that. So to me, it's almost like two different collections in here. So I think I'm going to tear this paper pad down and put it in with other papers. Because like these pieces here, I will use in my wedding album. Love the minty green. But see, that just looks totally different. Love the blue feathers. Striped. Honeycomb. Another wood grain, but again, they did that. So I will probably cut that in half. And then use the back side. This is another one. This back here. I don't know what I will do with this unless I use it for a mat. And then the cut aparts. And I love these little strips again for like my wedding album. So like I said, this paper pad broke my rules, but it had enough in it that I really liked. And since it was double-sided, I had a little bit more options. But for $6.99, I went ahead. Like I said, if she hadn't been with me, I probably would have put that one back, but she enabled me. So that's a look at my haul. As far as IKEA, I didn't buy furniture this time. I bought organization, more storage containers that I have. So I have some little white ones with lids, and those hold all of my color embellishments, which I'll be sharing that soon, hopefully. And then some bigger ones that just store some stuff out of the way, some seasonal decorations and stuff in my room, just to make it look pretty. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to check out, I have a home decor video up at the scrap room for a gnome. You definitely want to check that out. And the next video I have up will show how I made it. So I'll go through the whole process. It will be a long video, but I'm going to show you step by step. And I go through very simple that you can start with to a little bit more intricate to full blown out overboard. So I hope you'll enjoy that video even though it's a bit longer. So have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye bye.